Hi mga langga! Yes, this is your Mama Bear again and welcome back to our channel! So for today's video is among ipakita ninyo ang ang food trip. Yes, sa Amigos Bistro or Pizza Amigos. Something like that. Located siya sa Larena, behind sa Petron gas station. And as in mga langga na sila only buffalo wings. Lami kayo, yes. So mo to siya mga langga. And ako i-insert diri nila ang kato ilang price sa ilang only churba. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So, nami karon dire sa Amigos Bistro kay sulayan na mo ang ilang only wings.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe, that lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Shut all the world down, just you and me, baby. I've been losing my head. Used to be alone, but now instead I need you by my side. Can't go without one single night dreaming about you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world out, just you and me.